We're back. Thanks for staying with us. I'm joined now by Michael Markowski. He is the founder of a company called Newsgrade. Michael, always good to see you.
Good to see you, Don.
Well, Michael, you and I have known each other a good 10 or 12 years. I think we actually met at a trade show conference back in Las Vegas many years ago. Why don't you tell our audience what Newsgrade is?
Well, Newsgrade is a company that was founded to provide objective information to investors worldwide in multiple languages. And what we do is we look at data. We're looking for anomalies in data. And those anomalies that appear in the trading data of public companies and the financial statement data of public companies are really where the opportunities are for you to make money and also to reduce your risk, reduce or lower your risk.
Well, for so many years when investors are looking at companies, they're looking at earnings per share and net earnings, and sometimes those numbers can be skewed a little bit in the company's favor, whereas you like to look at operational cash flow per share and EBITDA and other variables. Is this the new metrics that investors should be paying attention to?
Absolutely. The old metrics, which were, again, EPS, doesn't account for the cash flow. And it's real easy for companies to manipulate their EPS numbers, so you need to use the metrics the proprietary metrics that we're coming up with and publishing through our stocktrendnews.com website. You can get news at that website, and you can also get information on tools to look at your stocks at stockdiagnostics.com, which is another Newsgrade website.
Now, a company can actually show pretty positive EPS or earnings per share, but if their OPS or operational cash flow per share is south, they don't have the money to pay their bills. They're in trouble.
That's right. That's right.
So what's the message that you're bringing to investors here at the conference?
The message that we're bringing to investors here at the conference is you want to check any one of your stocks or your companies that you own and monitor their operating cash flow per share, even more so than your earnings per share. Because when the earnings per share is positive and the operational cash flow per share is negative, you're really at a lot of risk.
For more information about Newsgrade, you can visit their website, of course, at newsgrade.net or at stocktrendnews.com. Michael, always a pleasure. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you, Don.